Seattle now, and I'm being hosted by a really cool couchsurfer called Eric. He speaks German as well perfectly. He even got the German music here from his grandma. Make some German Züricher Schnitte for him now. 2 pieces of toast, and then you have mustard on them, and you put ham and cheese. You scramble eggs, and then you fry it in the scrambled eggs. So I guess we're good to eat.
Eh? Oh yeah, yeah.
Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Put in the time, fuck all the haters. What's mine is mine, no rotten tomatoes. Tomorrow's fine for shaking.
My couchsurfing host showed me a park, and now he showed me at Jeff Bezos' balls. Globes here. There's a skyscrapers just behind it. I'm just gonna explore a bit now. I'm gonna go to Alki Beach, I think that's the name. Apparently one of the best places to see orcas from the beach here, but I think chances are really low to actually see some from there. This is the gum wall here in Post Alley. Probably one of the most disgusting places in Seattle. There's another big US company that has its base here, or its origin here in Seattle. Starbucks. This is like the touristy original shop. I think the real original shop is somewhere else. This is where all the people line up to get their coffee from their original Starbucks here. My time in Seattle is coming to an end already. Spent the last 3 days pretty much just jamming at my couchsurfing place. We had a session each night until like 3 in the morning. It was so nice. I really like these guys. It was hard to say goodbye, but yeah, it's time to go back into nature now. Full 11 days to explore Alaska, and from there I'm gonna fly home. Had to cancel my original flight from Vancouver to Germany because the Canadian border is still closed. It would open 3 weeks after I fly out for non-US tourists as well. So I had to spend some more money now for a new flight, but that's okay. I think it's time to board. I will land at 1:30 in the night, very late.
You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.